guys, and welcome back to the Oh Hello Co YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you our April Deluxe Classic subscription. So this is our full subscription. It comes with 7 sticker sheets, a bonus item, a roll of washi tape, and a greeting card, all for $19.97 if you do our auto renew option. So if you don't want to see spoilers and you like to be surprised, this is not the right video for you. So definitely click away, watch another video on our channel. But now I'm going to dive in and show you exactly what's in this month's subscription. So let's start with all of the extra goodies first. So this month's card is this gorgeous You Are My Sunshine card. You can use this for friends or family. It's a very universal card. And it comes with our classic red foil interior envelope. This month's roll of washi tape is a really cool roll. It has a bunch of different weather icons on it. So you can cut these out and use them to track the weather at the top of your planner. And the bonus item this month is a sticker organizer. This is super useful to carry around decorative stickers or stickers you use on a regular basis. They are side loading, so you can put your stickers into the sides. So when you're traveling, they're not going to fall out the top or the bottom. There are tons of pages in here, and they are very helpful for on-the-go planning. So let's get into the actual kit itself. We decided to do an April showers theme kit this month, so you can use it for April or transition it into spring. So it's really nice, bright spring colors. They remind me a lot of Easter, and they are just such a fun pop of color. We're finally getting back into color after all of the blues and cooler tones of winter, and this kit really shows that. Of course, I love the full boxes because you get a really good sense of what the kit's all about. We have this little quote that you can put in the top corner of your Erin Condren, and some really cute little duckies and rain and clouds. There's also a font variety sheet, so you can add in some text here and there. And then the decorative sheet is super cute with a lot of really cool rain-related stickers. So this is everything that comes in this month's Deluxe Classic subscription. You can choose between glossy or matte paper, and you also have the option to purchase it just one time for a little bit more money than the auto renew option. But all of the information and any extra details will be in the description. There will be links to this listing down there if you want to go make a purchase. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this month's theme, or if you have any other suggestions for upcoming subscriptions. We are always looking for new ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to see more new release videos and subscription videos. So definitely hit that subscribe button and hit that like button while you're at it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.